In 9 AD, after a busy summer's campaign, the Roman general Publius Quinctilius Varus marched his legions towards winter quarters south of the Rhine. Though he didn't know it, he was being led into an ambush by his trusted lieutenant Arminius. A noble of German birth, Arminius was raised in Rome and served in her legions. He knew all about Rome's military strengths and her weaknesses.
Oh! Quintilis Varus, give me back my legions! You are walking into a trap, Varus! The German will betray you. He will betray Rome.
Arminius, a traitor? I think not.
Rome may have raised me, trained me, but my loyalty is to my people! We're under attack! Look to the eagles! Defend them! Hold on! Quickly, now! Show them how!
Romans, ready for duty!
To arms!
Your orders!
Ready and waiting!
Legatus! Mandata tua!
Forward!
Eagle cohort! Sons of Mars!
LA troops awaiting orders. Infantry! Keep moving! We must get through! Where is Arminius? Someone find Arminius! We need his auxiliaries!
Advance with speed! Battle!
Orders!
Ready!
Ready
for
and waiting! Glory to engage!
Orders!
Sic Domine! Pull back!
Eagle cohorts! Extend plan! We obey!
Romans, ready for duty! Don't break formation! At the double!
Melee infantry ready!
Quick march!
Stay in formation!
Legatus!
Varus has fallen! Every man for himself! Run for your lives!
Battle group disbanded!